Mama, uba bekuthiwa amabele la wenu aphuma utywala icondodo ibizomyeka umfazi.
Thathani le ntwana le eli rasta liyayazi msango uthengiswa le ntwana le iyayazi into yoba zithengiswa phi le isipheleka.
ikhona i-out bikhe yatrenda yona la out izume ihagu
njani
serious out yaseNgcobo.
hayi yahlezi
into endiyicingayo lamshita uye wayijonga la hagu iphezu kwepapa wathi xa umnandi phezu kwepapa kwawubekelaphi kwenacala jonge ntshona koloni ndikuve nehagu ayalibazisa rhwe yemntasekhaya imfuyo ayidlali yamadoda aseyitelike bayayigqiba imfuyo
hayibo
strongo marhotman ladies nina nisezawushiywa imfuyo mntasekhaya imfuyo ivale apha inuka umntu into ingxaki yenu into ebanguba oomamboyi babebhizi imfuyo nilapha
kakhulu
thetha too much.
kwaJuda bazalwane kwi-Southern
Comfort
kwaJuda uYesu uthuma abangamashumi asixhenxe. Southern Kingdom.
Andifuna ziphi
Ngoba
ndiyazicaphukela nqatywa ende ngathi emesondulo
Nisudulu. What is this? Yo, mnase.
We're right.
Ishana.
Right.
Unandoni kwa A wena? Ikhona ijana efundisa kwa A. Qala ibone indoda efundisa A.
Makuzokutishala. Kanti
Stress
makuzokutishala.
singaka mfondini.
Phansi nizawuthetha.
Oh, abona jikisa yebo. Kusenzani nawe evulwa lando.
What is a red flag in a hand, bro?
A few moments later.
hello, I'm Nipa.
How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Oh, good, okay.
I go by the name of Mufilwe. And this is Nipa. What's your name?
Tando.
Tando. What's your name?
Tando.
Cuba. And this is Cuba. This is Tando. This is
I like your dress.
Thank you.
I'll hold it like this.
Oh my God. Igama lami.
Igama lakho Cuba.
Yebo. Hey, bro. That's a red flag in a hand. Red flag number one.
Red flag zazizela
Red
ntwana.
flag, green flag.
Green
We want
flag.
money.
You're just on money.
Yeah, we want money.
That's what you want.
Yeah. We must be happy in Capital Bank.
Yeah. Must be happy in Capitec Bank.
Money.
Ah, mantombi Mzansi.
In other words, shout out to the gold diggers.
With a pretty face like mine, I'll be able to have greater access. Even if you don't have a pretty face like mine, you will still be able to have easier ways of access.
Pretending I know strangers.
Ukraine elder yam. Ala mani ungabile kodwa elder awusifihlile straight ngoku. Akho ndakugqibela la mina egidini elder wena. Awuvela watipa nakulo gidi. Elder. Spotilo betas beni yasbo. Kodwa ngivuyela ukubona elder yam. Masicenge elder yabo. Ala.
Name a country in Africa you think has the most good-looking men.
South Africa.
Nigeria. No, that's number 2. We gotta ask her because she could know the number 1 answer.
America.
What?
More cherry. Yeah, more money. Cherry taba banamo.
I lost tonight, timing was.
Why?
Mama's laughing at you.
Oh, Ishanda pa.
When you have a sister.
Hey.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, everybody, hands up from the plate.
Kaman bo.
Kaman ibon. John.
Hakamanum kaman bo.
Ay, ngasikhaza umfazi futhi.
Akamanzi nibona. Lo mfazi. Akamanzi nibona.
Since when you get one shop?
Iba sexy, idli pizza. Life is too short. Fune sidle imali iyabhubhudlwa.
I got circumcised. In the hospital? Yes. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Now I got circumcised in the hospital, guys.
There you go, my nigga.
Shiburu. This Shiburu is not.
Says you guys, do they put you to sleep?
Yeah, I think I went to sleep. Yes. I woke up with a bandage around my dick.
Is it like a book part?
It was very hard.
And then you have to take those pills.
Yes.
Suppositories.
Suppositories.
Yeah.
Yes.
You niggas are pussies, man.
This Shiburu is not a picture.
Go to the mountain.
I wouldn't have caught my mom didn't subscribe.
Got that cable, see?
Went to the mountain.
Yeah,
Man, didn't you say you went to hospital, then you went to the mountain?
Yeah. No fucking way. You sing and learn. Me in the hospital. Yeah. Circumcised. Yeah. Fuck out of
Jackpot.
Bro, you're not gonna believe this.
Yeah.
East Africans are now faking to be gay so that they can get asylum.
John.
You cannot make this thing up.
We are here to show the world about the awareness of the queer LGBT issues in the camp. We are proud.
So let me be first. You got shocked to that YK.
Trans, but we are living in a very vulnerable environment.
You can even see this bro right here doesn't believe in anything. Bro knows he's not gay. Like, what is so hard to challenge your country to have a better country to live in? Like, you don't have to pretend to be gay, bro.
Yeah.
Amadoda wenza ukuzokugqibela. Ududu ufuna iPhone. Ududu ufuna iPhone. Ufuna ifoni efota kakuhle. Ungumuntu ongutata. Into le kuwe kufuneka ibonwe ngubani? Ungumuntu ongutata uthi wena ufuna iPhone. Uyaxoka.
Hayi bo.
Uyaxoka. Uqoqiwe uyaxoka. Ududu ufuna iPhone umuntu ongutata ayaxoka.
Sine lapha manje.
Namandla phezulu kwabo abanye bahlaselwa ukugula uma sekuzobhalwa ngiyala umoya wezifo ngiyala umoya ogula unamandla phezulu impilo yabo ngiyabakhulekela Nkosi labo ebebezinikele ekufundeni babona amandla.
What's the craziest thing you've ever done for money?
isilungu ngasikhuluma kakhulu selengini njalo.
Okay.
If ungavuka umuntu esifazane into yokuqala ongayenza. Into yokuqala engayenza manje ngivuka ngumuntu engingabuyela embedeni. Hey abantu besifazane bahlala bekhathele. Ngihamba ngembedeni yo.
That's so true.
Abahlala bekhathele yo. Ngikhathele.
Ubaqanile nina yami.
It can last you until the end of this year, 6 months.
It's only 20 rand. Ipombe ngaka.
Get that through your head. 6 months. Just
iPhone ube ne-dimples le.
it's very cheap. This is generational.
It's Mgidi season. Bayabawa. Yakwazi nento eninzi.
Okay, nangathiwa ngikunika $1 right now, ungathengani?
Indlu mfethu.
Yeah? $1 se-17
Indlu nemoto nje. Phile leyo mpilo.
Jo. No cha we have
Iphupho lwami. Kude lokunye.
Ubona likhupho yakho mhlawumbe ngathini ukuphawula kwakho kuloko? Yebo. Mama uyintatheli noma mhlawumbe umnikazi wasestation lesi. Ngintatheli. Hayi, akuvamile ukuthola intatheli idala kangaka. Eyidala futhi isigqoke ngendlela ehlonipheke kanjena cha manje. Cha kuyasho intatheli yasemakhaya impela.
Noba isingesi awusazi suso sungazi nesisithi no withhold forms against me child popper.
Oh, nyayo lethu. Esifumanekile sitsha. Walethu.
Hayi kibeleni. You all can keep the Kellogg's bowl. We have KFC packets in PE. Ukuna nebhayi nifuna uhuqa le wika KFC go. Ibhano emgaqweni.
Simzumkhulu for you. Oh, come on. Siceda kulenda. No. Hayibo, ngiyaqala into enje. Astronauts. Ngabe ngiyayikho into enje. Akhona ama-astronauts. Like nansi. Yabo sifuna ixoxela bengithi ngamanga. Oh, come on. Astronauts have landed. Please, man. Oh, yes, I got.
Makungahlangani tshontsha. Bafethu. Hayi kahle. uNkulunkulu samthandaza.
Mara mangahlangani.
Makungahlangani asitshontsheni.
Ebaza abahlali.
Open.
Maqabana kaThambo yenzani na? Encimba i-garden project le.
Hey Tora, I'm this one dude. You all know me as an actor and brand ambassador of clientele. But in my private life, I'm also a father and a wife.
Father and a wife.
We've been talking about funeral cover for many years. One of the things I've noticed is how different funerals can be across different cultures. You can cover up to 20 people on one plan. You can SMS 00000
to cover your arms,
Yo, as a dick as advert, brawa. Yo. Gqetywe ila time yethi ba indoda efuna uthenga iPhone. Qhokekile. Yes. I hope you enjoyed today's video, bafethu. For more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Salute lapho.
Come and vibe with me. Real South Africa is what you see. Funny reactions, hidden gems. Culture people, we discover them. Every journey tells a story true. Welcome to Armani. This adventure's made for you.